Hey guys, welcome back. Is it too soon to be talking about Christmas gifts? Let me know. Let me know if it is, because sometimes I get ahead of myself, especially towards the end of the year because I'm so excited about Christmas. But I have the perfect gift for the skincare and makeup lovers in your life. It is from Merit Beauty, and you know that I am a fan of Merit's products. I love their minimalistic makeup approach, skincare approach, the ingredients that they have in their skincare and makeup. I love their makeup is buildable and blendable. It's so easy to use, especially if you like a natural look. Merit is perfect for that. So we have to talk about their lip gloss collection because it is on sale. It's 25% off. And I received it and I wanted to go over the products in this collection just in case you're looking for the perfect Christmas gift. I think this would be absolutely perfect for someone who wants to try Merit Beauty. If you yourself have never tried any of the products from Merit Beauty, this would be a perfect way to introduce yourself to the brands. Okay, so this set includes a lip pencil, a brow gel, a mascara, a serum, and an eyeshadow. Now, I've tried their eyeshadows. I have not tried this shade, so I'm excited about that. Some of these other products I haven't tried, so I'm excited to do it. I don't have any makeup on because we are going to get this face together so that I can show you some of these products and you can see for yourself how I apply them, my honest review of the products in this collection. And don't forget, this collection is on sale, 25% off, so this will be an excellent time to pick this up. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that you will see when you open the package is their signature bag. Now, Merit Beauty sends a bag with every single purchase. So it will be, either their signature black bag or throughout the different seasons or the year, they switch it up. So for their fall winter collection, they have this beautiful brown corduroy bag. I absolutely love these bags. So what I'll do is take their bag, and if I have like a specific makeup or a perfume that I want to wear for a different outfit or occasion, I'll put it in here and then just tie it up, and then I know that that's everything that I need for that day. And you can take it on vacation. I think it's absolutely perfect for that. Another thing that you will notice is how beautiful the packaging is. So it's this minimalistic packaging, but it's something that's so chic about it. And then it comes like this. So the presentation, the packaging, spot on. So obviously the first thing I'm going to try is this serum, and then I'm going to do my makeup. So this is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. So it has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, just packed with a ton of goodies for your skin. So cute. If you guys can see that. So this is, again, just an introduction into their products, right? This is obviously a mini, but I think that it's perfect for someone who wants to try their products but doesn't want to make the commitment of a full-size product until they've tried a sample. So right away I can tell that this is going to be lightweight, which I absolutely love because I hate when things just weigh my skin down or are oily or greasy. Another reason why I love these lightweight serums is because they look so much better under makeup. I've had serums that were really oily and my foundation just didn't look good over them. There is no scent to it. Love that. Feels good on my skin, and it will provide the moisture that you need from the hyaluronic acid for this cold weather that we are getting ready to have. Fall and winter are the times where my skin is just so dry. So this is perfect. Okay, I just added some foundation and concealer because I want to get into this eyeshadow, brow gel, and mascara. So didn't do anything to my eyes. Okay, first we'll talk about the eyeshadow. And from my experience with Merit Beauty and their eyeshadows, they just go on so smoothly. Beautiful colors. See if you can see that. Perfect for fall. So if you have your 5-minute routine or you like more of a natural look, their eyeshadows are perfect. They're buildable. So if you want just a little something while you're running errands or you want to go full glam, you can, because you can pack it on without it being too much. This is a perfect color for fall. So I'm just going to put it on my lid and show you what it looks like. So I just put some on my finger and I'm dotting it on my eyelid. And it's there's that little bit that you would need if you wanted to go run errands and you just wanted something on your lid. Or for people who don't like a lot of color on their lid, this is perfect. I'm going to get the brush and add some more. Wow, this is such a pretty color. This reminds me of something that you would wear for a holiday party. If you need some shimmer in your corners, or you just that little bit of sparkle, this would be perfect. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna add the brows and the mascara next, but I just love this color. This is what it looks like on my finger. This is the shimmer that you will get from this eyeshadow. And again, it's that holiday season festive color that you want on your lids, or if you are someone who wants just like a light shimmer, like this is it. And it will go well with any shade of lipstick. That's the benefit of not wearing a lot of color on your lids. If you want to wear red, if you want to wear pink on your lips, you want to be careful what kind of eyeshadow you use, what color you use. So this is perfect. It's more of like that neutral with a shimmer, if that makes sense. Okay, here is the mascara. So I mentioned how this is a great gift idea and how you can introduce people to Merit by, you know, them being able to try the products. But it's also a great idea to stock up on sample sizes for yourself, because when you travel this holiday season to go see family, or if you have a smaller makeup bag, the sample sizes are perfect. Just throw it in there and go, and you don't have to worry about trying to fit full-size products in a smaller bag. So I love when I can stock up on sample sizes with like makeup and skincare and scents, because it just makes life much easier. So I'm just gonna apply the mascara. So this is one eye done. This is their Clean Lash, and it is packed with goodness, fatty acids, olive oil. It lengthens, it lifts your eyelashes. I am really picky with mascaras because it's around your eye. You want to make sure you're using clean products, good products, and I'm trying to take care of my lashes. So I need something that's going to condition my lashes while providing the length that I need, and this one does the trick. So I am such a fan of their mascara. Okay, both eyes done, and I do want to mention that it does not smudge, because I know that is super important. And another thing that just makes my heart sing and makes my heart smile is that it washes off easily. I cannot tell you how many times I have tried a mascara and I am like rubbing for days to get the residue off of my lashes, which causes me to pull out some of my lashes while doing that. This comes off so easy, you guys. Okay, so I want to get into my brows next. This is their Neutral Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. So I have the brow gel, like I said, absolutely love it. This will be the first time that I'm trying their pomade. But I want to show you, this is the brush. So I'm just going to go through and lift my brows with this pomade, and let's see. Now again, I do have spaces in my eyebrows because it is time for me to either get them microbladed or micro shaded. I have not decided which way I'm going to go, but until then, I love to use really good products on my brows because I do have to fill in the spaces, and this is perfect for doing that. So I'm just going to lift the hairs where I need them to go. Okay, let me just get a close-up so that you can see it. For those who don't want that heavy brow, you just want to, you know, make your eyebrows pop just a little bit, make them look nice and clean and together. You're not really a brow gel or brow pen person. This will be absolutely perfect for you. Okay. Both eyes done. Really a fan of this. And if you wanted to try their Brow 1980 gel, I can go ahead and link that down in the description box for you, because it's another product that's just so easy to apply and it doesn't come out cakey or gooey. It's easy to build, so you can do as little or as much as you want. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is this lip pencil. Now listen, just a moment for us to talk. I am not the biggest fan of lip pencils. I've had some lip pencils that just didn't go like smoothly on my lips, caused creasing, just didn't look good with the lipstick, was so hard to blend, and I had some really good ones, but I've just found it's just easier for me to find a good lipstick and apply that. Now again, Merit's products are just packed with goodness, go on smoothly, are moisturizing, and the quality is amazing. And I can tell that this pencil is going to work out for me. I can just look at the color and see that it's going to be a win-win. So it is a neutral color. I want to pull it up so that you can see it. It is a neutral color. So this is going to go perfectly if you're going to do a lighter color, a lighter pink, a softer color, or you just want to fill this in on your lips and put a gloss over it. So let's see what it looks like. Now I'm going to go in and fill in my lips with this color. It's that moisturizing, you guys. I can use this as like my lip color, my gloss for the day, because just the way it goes on. This is just the lip liner. Okay, that's how moisturizing their products are. I can go out like this, or I can put another glossy color over it, but or you can line your lips with this, but I just felt the need to completely just fill in my lips with this because I wanted a nude lip today, and this is perfect. If you are a lip liner person and you don't want that traditional rough lip liner that's gonna tug at your lips, something that's gonna provide moisture while lining your lips, this is absolutely perfect. This is just gonna be your nude. I'm gonna wear something out, run my errands. I don't like a lot of makeup. This is just my natural look lip liner, and you're going to use it as a lip color. This color is so perfect for fall. I cannot get over how moisturizing this lip liner is. So that is it. That is the lip gloss collection from Merit. I loved all of the products. Let me know if you have any questions about anything from Merit. I will be sure to answer in the comments. I'll link everything down in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.